Hi Realtors, this is Dawn Connors at Mortgage One, and today we're talking about appraisals. We've had for the last couple weeks. We're going to talk about the quality of home improvements and what appraisers look for. So things that make a lasting impression to an appraiser are updated kitchens and bathrooms. You might have a new floor that you just put in. Things like a new roof, updated HVAC systems create really a lasting value for that new home buyer and also for the appraiser. And things like a new home addition and a garage will absolutely cause higher value. Another thing that the appraiser will look for are things like fireplaces, patios, decks, and other improvements that are done to the house to enhance the beauty of the home and the quality of the house. This is Dawn Connors from Mortgage One, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions and an insight to what appraisers are looking for. Thank you.